Hello, good morning students. Now as we have studied in our previous class the national symbol, now we will continue with some more national symbol after it. Okay, we have studied about national emblem and national flag. Now we will study about national anthem. What is the national anthem? Jan Gan Man. What is the national anthem? Your national anthem which you sing most of the time on all national festival and other national event is Jan Gan Man, and it was composed by famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. We must respect our national anthem. We must stand in attention while singing the national anthem. What is the rules for it? Whenever you are saying the national anthem, you should stand straight and when it is been it is sung during the national festivals and during the national festivals and other national events. Then national flower, which is national anthem Jan Gan Man. This is one whole song. Then national flower, which is a national flower? It is lotus. Your national flower is lotus. Okay. The lotus is our national flower. It stands for unity and symbolizes the purity of heart and mind. It carries the heritage of Indian tradition. What it carries? The heritage of Indian tradition. Then next comes national animal. What is next? National animal. Which is the national animal? The national animal of our nation is tiger, and it stands for grace, power and strength. The national animal is tiger and it stands for grace, power and strength. Okay. Then next comes national bird. Which is your national bird? It is peacock. Which is national bird? It is peacock. Okay. The national bird is your peacock. The peacock is our national bird. The beautiful colors in the peacock feathers stand for natural beauty, grace, joy and love. What does it stand for? Natural beauty, grace, joy and love. Then comes national fruit. So which is the national fruit? Mango. And now you can see the season of mango is also there. So we generally use mango in the summer season. The mango is our national fruit, a favorite of most India. This fruit has been cultivated in the country since ancient times. From when it is being cultivated? It has been cultivated since the ancient times. Okay. Now, some more are there. Next is national tree. What is the next? National tree. So which is your national tree? National tree is banyan tree. Banyan tree. Okay. Your national tree is banyan tree. The banyan tree is our national tree. It has a large, huge structure whose branches roots themselves like new trees over a large area. It symbolizes the country's unity. Then next is national river. National river. Which is the national river? Ganga. Okay. Which is our national river? Our national river is Ganga. The Ganga of Ganges is our national river. It is the longest river in the India, flowing over 2,510 kilometers throughout the mountain valleys and plains. It originates in the snowfields of the Gangotri Glacier. The Ganga is reversed on the most sacred river of earth, and it is received most sacred river of the India. Then comes national aquatic animal. National aquatic. Aquatic means animal which live in water. Aqua means water. National aquatic animal. Which is the national aquatic animal? The river dolphin is the river dolphin is our national aquatic animal. It habitates in the river Ganga and represents the purity of the holy river, as it only can survive in pure and fresh water. Which one? Dolphin, because it lives in pure and fresh water. That's why it is found in river Ganga. Then is your national song. Which is your national song? Vande Mataram. And who has been sung? This was sung by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Vande Mataram, and it was sung by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Hey, what does it mean? Hail Motherland. Vande Mataram was first sung at a political meeting in 1896. The song gave immediate and lasting recognition as a hymn to India and a call for unity and strength. When it was sung firstly in 1896. Then comes national currency. What is the national currency of India? Rupee. What is the national currency? Rupees or rupee. Indian rupee is our national country. Is our national currency. Indian rupee is our national currency. Once rupee consists of 100 paisa. In July 2010, the Indian government selected the symbol of rupee like this. Okay. For the Indian rupee, the symbol selected for Indian rupee has been changed in 2010. Okay. Now that's all about the national symbol. So what we have studied today about national symbol: that national tree banyan tree, national river Ganga, national aquatic animal dolphin, national song Vande Mataram, and national currency rupee. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.